Chief Minister of Karnataka Siddaramaiah on Monday decided to hand over the CBI the probe into the mysterious death of IAS officer D.K. Ravi that outraged the nation and led to statewide protests. The Chief Minister told the Assembly that he is referring the case to CBI as he respects the feeling of officers' parents and public sentiments.
I understand the feelings of Ravi's parents. We respect public sentiments. I am giving this case to CBI.
His decision to involve the premier investigation agency of the country comes a day after the Karnataka High Court passed an emergency order retaining the state government from disclosing the content of the initial report submitted by the CID probe into Ravi's death. Meanwhile, opposition continued to corner the state government over its reluctance to order a CBI probe into IAS officer death and alleged that the state government wanted time to destroy evidence.
Public opinion in Karnataka, public opinion in the entire nation that D.K. Ravi's death, that suspicious death, it should be, case has to be investigated through CBI only. It is opinion. It is not only insistence of the opposition. The entire. So after a lot of delay, he has taken the delay. 1 week there is a discussion regarding whether it is given to the CBI or not.
You think
1
you're
week.
buying time?
They buy the time. They wanted to spoil the evidence. For that purpose, they buy the time.
However, Congress refuted the allegations, saying it's the habit of BJP to cover up cases.
जो कर्नाटक पुलिस और गुजरात का पुलिस में बहुत काफ़ी फ़र्क है। जो लोग जेल में था उसको रीइंस्टेट नहीं करते हैं। कर्नाटक का पुलिस पूरा दुनिया में लोग माना जाता है, उसका क्रेडिबिलिटी हम कम करना नहीं चाहते हैं। जब एक ऑपरेट ऑफिसर का मौत हो गया है, उसका जांच के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, तो इसलिए क्योंकि जांच का थोड़ा 2-3 दिन तो लग ही जाता है, तब तक तो वो कोई दबाव में नहीं आया है। जो आईएएस ऑफिसर उसका माता पिता ने डिमांड किया था जो सीबीआई को देने के लिए, उसका डिमांड को मुख्यमंत्री जी ने मान लिया है। कोई ऐसा इन लोगों का मानसिकता है जो अमित शाह से लेकर जो वंजारा तक जो इन लोगों ने कवर अप किया है, वो मानसिकता भारतीय जनता पार्टी का है।
Powered by NNIS.